Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Fruitech. OnePlus has started rolling out the new February SOTA update for all OnePlus devices. But the Nord 5 is the first device in the line to receive this update. I am currently using OxygenOS 16.0.2 with 400 version on my OnePlus Nord 5. We already reviewed all the features and the changes, battery life, performance and the gaming experience of this version in two different videos. You will find them in the video description. I received this new version through release candidate section. Even though it's a monthly SOTA update, the update size is pretty big, around 500 MB. Currently, there is no official post by OnePlus mentioning it is a SOTA update or providing the list of eligible devices. So I installed this version, and today in this video we are going to review all the new changes and the features you will get after updating to this version. There are two major features in this version which are shown at the end of the video along with the anti-rollback status of this version. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. After updating to this version, nothing changes in the software details. Only SOTA version number gets updated to EX01 B40 P02. The previous SOTA version number was V30 P02. The OxygenOS version remains the same as old one, and even the security patches are still from January 2026. Let's check out the new features of this version. Most of the changes of this version are related to OnePlus Photo application. Let's go through them one by one. Now we can edit any photos or videos that are present in a private save album of the OnePlus Photo application. In previous version, we had to first remove them from the private save album to edit them. Next is adding the photos or videos to private save is much faster and more efficient. The next one is OnePlus improved the gesture interaction animation when swiping up or down on the images browsing screen in the photo application, which resulting in a smoother and more responsive experience. Next, OnePlus made improvement in the thumbnail loading of the album so they are displayed immediately when you open album section in a photo application. Previously, sometimes album thumbnails didn't appear instantly. They took fraction of second to load. Next, for photo content, we got the new filters like motion photos, screenshot and screen recordings and edited option, which help to sort the content we want more easily. Next is auto straightening feature to straighten the tilted or distorted portrait pictures of buildings or other images when cropping and rotating them in a OnePlus Photo application. Some of these features I think OnePlus already made available through different OT updates earlier, but I can't understand why they repeated them in the changelog. But few are genuinely new and the major features. One of them is the new pop-out images in the collage photos. Whenever we create the collage of photos, if you tap on any picture, we get the new pop-out option. This feature pops out the subject of the image using the AI from the frame, giving a different and amazing look to your collage photos. Here you can see I use the pop-out feature for collage photos and it gives an amazing look to pictures. We can remove the pop-out effect anytime by deselecting the pop-out option. But remember that changes can't be reverted once you save the edited collage images. Next is also one of the major features added for AI Writer. Write Anything feature in AI Writer now supports more types of writing including compositions, letters, proposals, job descriptions, and video scripts. Here I use it to edit my video script and AI Writer efficiently created well-organized video script within seconds. The most important thing is the status of ARB in this version. We already created video explaining what is ARB, what is the issue is, and how to check the ARB status of your OxygenOS firmware. You'll find its link in the iCard. That video includes the link to anti-rollback checker. If you go to that site, you will find your device name, region, firmware version number, ARB index number, and the date when the ARB status was checked. For our OnePlus Nord 5, the ARB index is 0, which means the ARB is not implemented in this version. These are all the new changes and the features of this SOTA update. Some of these features will be available for all OnePlus devices and some will be exclusive. Once you get the official thread of this version, I will release the separate video with the list of supported devices and the rollout timeline, so stay tuned to our channel. If you think our content is useful, then please like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching, see you next time, take care, bye bye.